What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sang, and today I am eating at my apartment complex. Today is January 21st and it is snowing today. It looks beautiful today. So the city's closed down and everyone is at home because of the snow and the icy conditions. So I decided to make a video eating outside in the snow for the first time in Houston, Texas. I got some leftover barbecue food from Gatlin's barbecue yesterday. I still have some ribs, sausages, corn, beans, and dirty rice and leftover. So let's enjoy the food in the snow. It looks beautiful here today. So I'm just gonna do a quick video. The first item that I'm eating is the sausage with a little dirty rice, corn, and beans. So all over Facebook this morning, everyone's been posting videos and pictures of people enjoying the snow. So I guess I can make my own video enjoying the snow as well. The next item I have is pork ribs. The temperature doesn't feel too bad, maybe because I just got out of my apartment. So it's warmer in my apartment at 68 degrees, so that might be the reason why I don't feel as cold right now. Pork ribs. I guess people usually eat barbecue during the summer. I'm eating it during the winter, during the snowstorm. So this concludes my eating video in the snowstorm. The barbecue food is very delicious. Thank you for watching. If you're in the Houston, Texas, I hope you're enjoying the snow today, especially with your kids. Make some play in the snow. Let's make some snow angels. Again, my name is Sang. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell. Thank you and take care.